Only a fraction of people manages to manifest their desires. But why do others fail to manifest their desires? What is the most important thing to have or do to manifest the biggest desire? In today's video, we are going to talk about something that Neville Goddard mentioned in his books and lectures again and again. If you put it into practice, you will effortlessly manifest whatever your desire is, and the best thing of all is that it is quite simple. So what is it? Make sure to watch this video to the end to understand everything fully. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon to watch more helpful videos on Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption. Let's now start this video. Well, whenever you are manifesting your desire, you don't need to put much effort or a lot of work into it. You don't need to invest much of your time to achieve your desire because you know that when that desire comes up within you, it is already yours. Simply put, you can say it is destined to be yours, and all you have to do is saturate your mind with the idea of having it or having it be a part of your life. And to do that, you don't need to spend months or years. You can do it in an hour. You can do it in a single day. The maximum it can take is 1 or 2 weeks. That's the most you have to invest in your manifestation. When you have gotten clear on what you want, go for self-analysis. What sort of experiences did you manifest in the course of your life, and what sort of thoughts did they create in your mind? What type of beliefs are you holding now in your mind? Clearly examine your thoughts and try to find any that imply that you are unable to achieve your desire. Are there any beliefs that say, no, this isn't for you, or you don't deserve it? This is called the conception of self. Who are you in your own eyes? Do you think you can achieve what you want? Now, if there are any beliefs residing in your mind that suggest that you can't manifest your desire, you have to simply get rid of those beliefs. What can you do to do that? You have to use your imagination to change your conception of yourself. You've got to work on that from within yourself because you know yourself better. And the more effort you put into it, the more important it becomes. If instead of treating those negative thoughts from within, you try changing something in the external world or doing something practical, it will make you wait for the results. Working in the 3D world to change your beliefs brings suffering into your life. It causes you to overthink, and eventually you will manifest more and more negative circumstances, suggesting that you can't manifest your desire. You know, experts suggest a state of complete relaxation to get rid of negative thoughts and incorporate positive thoughts into your subconscious mind. Have you ever thought about why experts suggest getting into a meditative state or a state of complete relaxation? Let me explain it to you. Our mind is a reasoning machine. You can't believe something unless you prove it. Since we want to remove the thoughts suggesting that we can't manifest our desire, we have to prove to our mind that we are capable of manifesting our desire. Here we have 2 choices. We can bring some physical evidence to prove that we are able to get what we want, or we can make the claim that we can manifest our desire when our mind is weak or has less reasoning. When we are sleepy, our mind is less rational, or when we are in a state of complete relaxation, our mind readily accepts what we try to put into it. So that's why experts suggest getting into a state of complete relaxation. By entering that state, we can modify the programming of our subconscious mind. When you get into a state of complete relaxation and say, it's done, and nothing remains to do, then your mind readily accepts without arguing, and it becomes your belief that you are capable of manifesting your desire. The state of relaxation is similar to what Neville Goddard called the state of wishes fulfilled. It's because the state of complete relaxation allows you to visualize your desire being fulfilled. Neville Goddard mentioned the state of complete relaxation many times in his lectures and advised us to visualize ourselves in that state. The state of complete relaxation is very similar to letting go. If you have studied Neville Goddard's teachings, you might be familiar with the concept of letting go. The concept of letting go suggests that when you finish practicing some technique to manifest your desire and the process is done, let go of the neediness. Believe that you have achieved it. Be completely relaxed and forget your desire. Don't show any sign of neediness, but start living your desire. Before becoming a self-help teacher, Neville Goddard was a dancer, and he knew how to get there. How to relax his body. He knew that relaxing his body would relax his mind. Whatever technique you choose to practice, when you are done with the process, just move on. Just don't wait for your wish to come true. When you move on, it means you are relaxed. You don't look at the 3D world and don't try to make any changes to it. Your inner world will give rise to the reality that you will experience, so you don't need to make any change in the world outside of you. Even the world outside of you, the whole universe, is the manifestation of your inner world or simply of your thoughts. So now that you are done with the process, it means you have sown the seed, and now it will grow up. Many people get confused between letting go and giving up. It is crucial for you to understand that there is a difference between letting go and giving up. In order to manifest your desire, you are required to let go and not give up on it. You just have to remove your focus from wanting and realize that you have manifested it. When you believe and feel that you have manifested it, you become satisfied and relaxed, and you don't care about the outer world. Shift your focus from the outer world to the world inside you, because that is where everything happens. All you need is yourself. The 3D world has no worth or value, and you don't need it. All you need is you, because you are the creator and the master. So put the focus inside you, start monitoring your thoughts, and when your mind is filled with positive thoughts, just let go. The thoughts that you have put in your mind will do everything. Neville's teachings suggest that you don't need to control the world, you just need to control the world inside of you. Everything else will go through. Everything outside of you is a part of the process. If you try to control what's happening outside of you in the world, it will make you frustrated and depressed. When everything can be controlled from within, don't look outside of yourself. Try fixing everything from within. When you realize this, you stop caring about what's happening in the world outside of you. You start saying, "I just don't care." It makes you happy and helps you find peace of mind. This sort of attitude enables you to manifest the desired circumstances, and things start changing. You start achieving your goals. Getting relaxed and accepting things as they are has a lot of other benefits. For example, relaxation helps you focus better. When you focus better on the inner world and monitor your thoughts, you can easily get an idea of what mistakes you are making that are keeping you from manifesting your desires. So surrender and accept 3D as it is. Don't be focused on acceptance and giving up. When you accept things, it doesn't mean you are giving up. You are accepting 3D, which is already worthless. What is important is your own self. Realize your own importance and ignore all other things that have nothing to do with it. Accept the circumstances, but remember that accepting the circumstances doesn't mean you are going to settle for less. Let me tell you that acceptance is the foundation of change. When you accept that the circumstances around you are not necessary and should be ignored, you stop fighting the circumstances and focus on yourself. Real change comes when you start working on yourself, when you change your thoughts, your attitude, your habits, and your routine. When you do this, the world around you starts changing. It is not worth paying any attention to what's going on around you. You don't need to invest your energy in reacting to it or fighting it. What you've got to do is work on yourself. Pay attention to what's going on inside of you, because what's going on inside of you will manifest in your reality, and you will have to experience it even if you don't like it. So if you don't want to experience undesirable circumstances, now is the time to make changes in the outcomes that are ahead. The 3D is going to change automatically once your thoughts and mindset change. It's going to become whatever you become. The state of relaxation allows you to disconnect from all the undesirable states that you have been sustaining. The undesired states may be of several kinds, but they are only created by certain thoughts like, "I'm not loved," "I'm not abundant," or "I'm rejected." These thoughts cause you to suffer, and when you are delving into these negative states, you don't manifest your desires. But when you are relaxed and you ignore the negativity, then you easily come out of these states. So instead of fighting whatever is happening in your life, focus on mindfulness and relaxation. Now let me tell you how you can get relaxed. Various techniques and exercises are available that you can use to get relaxed. The best and easiest method that I would like to recommend is meditation. Meditation is of immense importance in manifestation because it allows you to connect with your subconscious mind and reprogram it. You can do meditation in the morning. It is the best time. Just sit in an open place. Take deep breaths and exhale slowly. It helps you let go of anxiety, depression, anger, and negative thoughts. It refreshes your soul and relaxes your mind. Meditation causes you to get relaxed, and you make decisions that can help you manifest faster. Another technique suggested by Neville Goddard is the breathing technique. The breathing technique is easy and simple. In this technique, you just sit alone, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. While you are doing this, feel that your desire is coming to you. Leave all the negative thoughts behind and let go of all the negativity. By doing so, you can get relaxed. If you do this each day, you will stay relaxed most of the time. If you do this in the morning, you will stay relaxed all day. You can even do yoga to get relaxed. Yoga is a super amazing exercise that relieves pain and keeps your mind fresh. Even now, scientific studies have proven that yoga keeps a person calm and relaxed and helps to attain peace of mind. There are some other strategies that you can choose to practice to get into the state of relaxation that will manifest your desire. For example, you can spend more time in nature, go on walks, or exercise. All these strategies help you get the peace of mind that is an important ingredient for manifestation. When you are relaxed, you have more control over your imagination, which is responsible for all your manifestations and all the happenings in your life. Whatever technique you follow to manifest your desire, being relaxed is crucial because it is a sign that you believe in the process and that your desire has been manifested. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion. And that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.